So, hi everyone! For today's video po is we're going to the store to buy my school supplies. So, this video is brought to you by Sir JV. So, Sir JV, thank you so much for sponsoring my school supplies. Thank you always for sharing your blessings and for being a blessing to other. So, yun guys, medyo hingal pa po kasi kakatapos ko lang po magbihis and mag-ayos. So, ngayon po guys is papunta na po ako sa palengke para po mamili. So, yun guys, I will update you kapag po nandun na po ako sa palengke. Hi guys! Ngayon po papunta na po kami ng Formosa para po mamili na ng gamit. At ngayon po is nakasakay po ako here sa motor at sobrang init po talaga sa mundo. Sobrang init talaga sa Pilipinas. So yun guys, umikot po kami kasi doon po sa may bandang rocks ako, doon po sa may school po, doon meron pong nanguhuli. Update ko na lang po kayo guys kapag po nandun na po ako. Formosa. Nagbayos lang po ng part ng motor. Pasok na po tayo guys. Guys, medyo nahihiya po talaga ako mag-vlog. So yun guys, papasok na po ako. Ito po ang kanilang mga tinda guys. Bilihan po talaga to ng school supplies. So, ba't ba tayo nandito? Dito tayo sa kabila. So, ang first thing po na kukunin natin is po tayo ng different size ng typewriting. So, I will get this one, A4, and legal and letter. Ang una ko pong binili ay sticker paper at ito naman po ang sunod. Typewriting. Wait lang po. Medyo mabigat. Next po ay this one, the yellow pad. Ay, ito pa. This naman yun. Ito po, ang yellow pad na bibili natin. Kukuha po tayo ng dalawa. So, pag po namimili ako ng ganyan yung nasa ilalim po. Paper. So, next one po is ruler. I think, ito na pong set ang bibili natin. Ito na pong set ng ruler ang bibili natin, guys. And, I will guys, the correction tape, kailangan din natin to, syempre. So, bibili din tayo ng dalawa nito. Para hindi na tayo maubusan ng stock. Ito na. Ito po ang calculator natin. So, yun guys, kailangan din po natin ito para po sa mga ballpen. Para po hindi siya nagkalat sa bag. So, kukuha po ako ng dalawa. Dalawa po siya, guys. So, yun guys, pupunta po tayo ngayon sa mga notebook. Ganyan po kadami notebooks dito, guys. So, mamimili tayo, bibili tayo ng mga notebook natin na ilalagay natin. So, I need 9 subjects. I need 9 notebooks since my subject is 9. So, 1 notebook per subject, guys. I need to pick good design. So, 1, 2, 3, 4. Every setback is a setup for a comeback. 5. Don't quit, cause tough times don't last. Tough people do. Guys, ilan na po ba to? 2, 4, 6, 8, 9. So, yun guys, 9 na po. Ayan po lahat na napili kong notebook. Ganap po this. So, yun guys, since math teacher tayo, kailangan natin bumili nito. I'm thinking if ito na lang guys, para madali siyang mapunit. Itong may spring. Para madali siyang mapunit if ever na magkamali tayo. Let's check the texture of the paper. Okay guys, pwede siya. Add to cart. So yun guys, may nakita din po tayo ditong acrylic. I'm gonna check it out too. Add to cart. So, what are we need to buy? Guys, ang binibili ko po is yung for sure na magagamit. Ito lang ang payong nila. So, baka po sa iba na lang po kayo bumili ng payong. Kasi po, medyo hindi po bet yung design. Guys, what if maglagay ako nito sa kwarto ko para alam nila kung kakatok sila o hindi. Oh, this one, kailangan ko. Guys, bumili din po ako ng tape dispenser. Gawanit ko din po ito. Very essential. Yun, dahil kung meron tayong tape dispenser, dapat tayong tape. 3 na neto, guys. 3. So yun guys, ito po mga estabilo nila. So, kukuha ko ng, of course, green. And, I think, ito pala yun. Plus ito. Plus 1 is pink. Ayoko pala ng pink. Only 2. It's enough. Parang I don't want this. Parang I want pink. Ito na lang guys. Kanina. Dito na po tayo sa mga ballpenan guys. Guys, I'm thinking kung ito na lang ang bibilin ko. Feeling ko ito na lang kaysa yung purpose. Babalik natin to guys. Din po tayo ng gunting kasi kailangan po natin yan para sa paggupit-gupit. Di na tayo manghiram sa ating mga kaklase. Bili din po tayo ng ballpen. So, unti lang po binili ko kasi meron pa po akong ballpen sa bahay. Bili nga din po pala ako ng sticky notes. Para po if ever na may reminders, madali po nating matatandaan. This one guys. Para po sa reminders natin. Yun po guys, ito na po yung ating mga napamili. So medyo may karamihan na po yun kasi puno po ang ating basket. So yun guys, magbabayad na po kami ngayon. So, ayun po guys, nakauwi na nga po tayo at tapos na po akong mamili ng school supplies. Ngayon po is, bago ko po i-upload ng video na to, is aantayin ko po munang dumating yung table na in-order ko. And guys, sorry po kung hindi ko po na-vlog yung time na nagbayad po kami sa cashier at hindi ko din po na-vlog yung sa part po ng pagbili po ng bag kasi po nalobat po ang aking cellphone. Pero, yun po guys, papakita ko po siya sa inyo once na dumating na po yung lamesa ko at i-assemble ko po lahat ng napamili ko. So yun lamang po for today guys, and let's wait for the table. Hi guys! It's another day. So for today's video po is mag-unbox po tayo ng binili nating table. So medyo may kabigatan po siya guys. And ito po yung table po na in-order natin online. And we're gonna unbox it. So yun guys, kailangan kong ibaba tong vlog. So yan, I think it's much better. So guys, we have scissor para po madali natin siyang ma-open. So, let's unbox it na, guys. Guys, basa siya kasi umulan dito. So, medyo sobrang dikit po nung kanyang cover ha. So guys, this table is also from Sir JB. So thank you so much, Sir JB, for always sharing your blessing. Wow! So now guys, let's open. Medyo mahirap po siyang buksan kasi sobrang dikit po niya. Ating pong goal is alisin muna natin yung mga black niyang cover. Mabigat po siya guys. For real. So I'm done na po na alisin yung black cover niya. And now let's open. Yes. Ang dami niya pong tape guys. So thank you so much po sa seller nito. So yun guys, if makikita nyo po, pagbukas po ng kahon, meron pa po ulit another na cover. So, sobrang safe na safe po talaga ang ating item. So yun guys, after po ng kahon, meron pa po siyang cover. There's another cover guys. And as you can see, meron po siyang mga foam sa edge po. Siguro po para hindi po madamage yung item na in-order natin. So ito na po guys, moment of truth. Let's open the box. Let's unbox it. Oh guys! Ayan guys, kailangan po natin umupo. So yun guys, tapos ko na po siyang i-unbox sa likod and moment of truth po. Iharap ko po siya sa inyo. Yan guys, ayan po ang ating table. Yun po siya, guys. Guys, black marble po yung design niya. Sobrang ganda niya po. Malaki po siya and sobrang ganda. So, yun guys. Wala po siyang damage and if makikita niyo po, super shiny. Kapag naman po hindi, wala na po tayong kailangan gawin. Like, itatayo na lang na po natin siya. Yun guys, then matatayo na po siya. That's it guys. Here's our table. Ayan guys, ganyan po siya kalaki. Sobrang laki niya po and medyo may kataasan din po siya. Yes guys, as you can see, my table is already set up and here's the school supplies that I bought, and that school supplies is of course from our one and only Sir JB Outdoors. Wow. So Sir JB, if you are watching, thank you so much for always sharing your blessings, for all your help to me, and for being a blessing to others. So now guys, I will show it to you. I will show to you what I bought. So here's guys, let's start here. I bought laptop stand, and I also bought 2 pad of yellow pad paper. I bought bundle of typewriting, where is A4, letter, and legal. That's a different sizes of typewriting. I also bought tape dispenser guys. It's very essential, of course. And here's guys the ruler set. The set of ruler. And as you can see guys, I have here a piggy bank because I'm going to save. And here's my notebook guys. As you can see, I bought 9 notebooks, but I decided to bought this because it is refillable guys. So I only need to buy a filler for that, so I can save. And here's the 3 notebook. Here's the mathematics notebook guys, and that one. And I also bought 2 sticker paper guys because I'm going to print my subjects. And I also bought ball pen guys. I only bought 4 ball pen guys kasi baka mawala siya. And also I bought highlighter. Yes guys. And here's the sticky notes for reminders, and I also bought 2 pieces of correction tape and also scissors. And guys, it's the most exciting part. Here's my bag. That's the bag that I will use when I go to school. And that's it guys. That's what I bought, and thank you so much for being with me on my journey, on buying my school supplies journey guys. So yes guys, you already saw what I bought, and you already saw the table from Sir JB, and all of this is brought to you by Sir JB Outdoors. So that's it guys. Thank you so much for being a part of this video and for watching. Please like and subscribe, and also special thanks to Sir JB. Sir JB, thank you so much. May God bless you more and more. That's it guys, and see you on my next video. Love you all.